Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some major fridge deep cleaning motivation. I definitely have a lot to do in the fridge, so no judgment please. It hasn't been cleaned in months, but it really needs done, so give you some major motivation for that one. Also, I'm going to be prepping up some fruits and vegetables. I need to get those clean and cut up and packed and ready for the kids before they get a hold of them. Alright, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I got so much food in here that I have to throw away. I have to go through all the stuff that is old, keep what is good and what we're keeping, check some dates, and I really gotta scrub. Okay, so first things first is I'm going to be going through everything that's in the fridge and taking everything out, and I'm going to go put it on my counter and my stovetop so that way everything is nice and clear so I can get it cleaned. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me and clicking on my newest video. I appreciate you all for being here. So if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button to join my family. I do all types of mommy videos. I do cleaning, cooking, day in the life, and I try to give you as much motivation as I can in my videos. Okay, so right here you'll see me throwing out some old things that were in my fridge and that need thrown out. Okay guys, now I emptied out all these shelves. I did not even bother touching down there, getting that cleaned out yet. I'll do that after I get the rest of this cleaned. So next step, start scrubbing all of this down. Like I said, don't judge. I haven't cleaned this in months. There's still so many stains from things spilling, and this is like the #1 spot that I like never get to, but I'm getting it done now. So let's go. Okay guys, so I know that if you've been watching my grocery hauls and I've been buying like tons of lemons, well, I've been like prepping them and I've cut them up and they were sitting in my fridge. Some of them, I used most of them that I've bought, but some are still left over and they're cut and they're all old. So I'm actually gonna try to use these old lemons and squeeze them and let them use their old lemon juice to scrub and really do like a deep clean on the inside of the fridge. So using what I got, and it's natural, and I'm just gonna use this to try to do a really good cleaning. Let's see how it works. Okay, so as you can see, using just a lemon, no chemicals or products or anything, is actually working really well, getting all these stains and crumbs and whatever is all sticky in my fridge. So once I pulled out the little shelf, all I had to do was go over it with a sponge and some warm water, and it all just came off. Took a little bit of elbow grease for some spots, but that's expected. But it worked really well. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go back in and tackle the very next shelf. This shelf had some like sprinkled cocoa powder all over the place. I don't even know how this got in here, but let's get this clean. Once again, go back in with my warm water on my sponge and just wiping this down and scrubbing what I can. Okay, so now I'm going back in and doing the final shelf on the bottom. This bottom shelf seemed to be a catch-all. It caught everything that leaked down from the first two shelves. So in the back, it really needs clean where the little vent is to keep the produce cold. Also, now is when I decided to start cleaning off the sides and the walls of the fridge, because now that I got these shelves pulled out, it'll be a little bit easier. Okay, so right here you can see me, I was struggling a bit. I was trying to figure out how to get that glass shelf pulled up out so that way I could give it a real deep clean up underneath. Okay, so now that I finally got that bottom shelf pulled out, I could get in here and get this back part that was almost impossible to get clean. I could finally get this clean. If you guys haven't already, please join me over on Instagram at MomAndNonaDaily2020. I'd love to have you guys follow me over there too. This bottom part was so bad and it needed cleaned so bad, but these lemons were really working, and I can't wait to show you guys the after. Are you ready? Check out this. Look how good this looks. Okay, so now that I got the fridge all nice and clean, the next step will be me putting all the shelves right back in. This is so satisfying to see that now that it's all done. Okay, now that everything is cleaned and put away for the fridge, now I need to put all of the groceries back in. Okay guys, so now I got it all nice and clean. Look how much better that looks. And I reloaded everything back into the fridge. This was so satisfying to get done finally, and now it's nice and clean. And now it makes me realize what stuff I actually need to go shopping for. So that is definitely a win, but look how nice this turned out. All I used was the lemons and some hot water on a sponge, and it did the trick. I didn't need no harsh chemicals or nothing. Look how good that looks. Okay guys, so now that I got the fridge done, I want to get my strawberries and my grapes all cleaned up, and I want to cut this cantaloupe and get this all chopped up and ready for the kids to eat. Okay, so to clean my strawberries, I just got 2 parts water to 1 part vinegar. I just use the white vinegar, it works really good. to dump all of my strawberries into the bowl. Okay, now that I have the strawberries all in the water vinegar mixture, I just toss them around a little bit. They're already starting to look really, really good. Now I just let them sit for about 10 minutes and I'll come back and check on them. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did with the strawberries, now with my grapes. Okay, so now I just dumped all the grapes into the water vinegar mixture, and while they're sitting in here soaking is when I'm going to take each grape off of the vine. Okay, now that I got my strawberries sitting and my grapes sitting, they're all getting nice and clean. Now I'm going to work on cutting up our cantaloupe. Look how good these look. These are already looking good too. We'll come back and check on these. Okay, so here's my little trick that I always use. I always use an ice cream scoop to cut up my watermelon and my cantaloupe. It makes it so much faster and easier to do. Okay, so these strawberries are done, and so are these grapes. And I'm going to strain them and rinse them off, and I'm going to throw them all in that container together. Okay guys, that's all I got for you today. I hope you got some major fridge deep cleaning motivation and some motivation to go clean and get your fruit ready. Alright guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye.